Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to bet in Arena Plus NBA Cash. So let's start. So first you have to register on Arena Plus and then you have to have an account on Gcash. Okay, so you can bet on the team to win or lose before a match, or you can also bet on individual players based on the points that they will score. So basically you can bet an account before the game ends as long as the book supports those type of bets. So, what are types of betting sports? You can monoline betting, handicap betting, you can also over under betting and odd even betting, parlay betting, outright betting, and side bets. So with that, you can start bet on your favorite team. In this case, if you wanna bet to the NBA, you can do it without any problem. The only thing that you have to do is have an account on Gcash and also register on the Arena Plus. Then you can check all the bets there. Here are the explanation completely about how you can do it. This is you can find on gcashresource.com, and you can read everything and you can check step by step how it works, how you can bet without any problem. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumb up to this video.